Hazrat Safwan bin Yala bin Umayyah has reported from his father. A man came to the Prophet ﷺ when he was at Jirana. He was wearing a robe which had a trace of scent or saffron. He submitted, "What do you command me to do in the Umrah?" Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed to his Prophet ﷺ. So a piece of cloth was put on him. I aspired to see the Prophet ﷺ while he was being blessed with revelation. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "Do you want to look at the Prophet ﷺ when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sends revelation to him?" I said, "Yes." He lifted up a corner of the cloth. I saw that he ﷺ was snoring, and I think he said snoring as a camel snores. When that state was over, he ﷺ said, "Where is the one who asked about the Umrah? Take off your robe, wash away the trace of scent or saffron from it, and perform in your Umrah what you perform in your Hajj." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1789.